are not facts. Okay? I am where I belong, and I will continue.
So there is no question of changing the party or joining any other party.
I have not been given any reason to do that. Okay? So why should I do
So
it?
it is BJP again for Alina Saldana again, 2022 assembly elections.
Definitely.
Thank you, madam.
Because I intend to keep on working for the people, especially for the people of Kortaling constituency. And more importantly, I want to ensure that all the dreams of late Matani Saldana are fulfilled. I think most of his dreams are fulfilled. Like, for example, the Kortaling market was his dream. The Kansauli PHC was his dream. That planning was done by him, okay, along with the architect. So that is my reward when each project gets done. Now many other projects are on the verge of being inaugurated. I won't tell you all which they are because I will call you for the inauguration.
Salim, this thing, what you would like to say on
See,
that?
usually I don't comment on things that I consider as unimportant because he is not the party higher up to decide. Okay, I will wait for the party higher ups to decide.